Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Amrita, and I'm back here with a new subject that is social connectivity and responsibility. So, in this subject, we have got five modules, and I will be explaining what we have done in these five modules. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. So, the PPT contains introduction and the first module that is plantation and adaptation of trees. Second one, heritage walk. Third module which contains organic farming and waste management. Fourth module that is water conservation, and finally we ended with food walk. Plantation and adaptation of trees. So, as we all know, plants are essential to life on Earth, adapting over millions of years to thrive in a wide range of environments. So, from arid deserts to tropical rainforests, they have evolved unique characteristics to overcome environmental challenges such as water scarcity, extreme temperatures, and nutrient limitations. So, this we all are familiar with, that how plants have adapted themselves over a period of time and how their hierarchy has been. So basically, this project focuses on adaptation of a particular plant species. So now here I have adopted, this is Catharanthus rosaceus. I think this one you all are familiar with. You could have seen near your households and everywhere. So this is the plant that I have adopted and thought of taking care of it by watering, etc. So Catharanthus rosaceus, which is commonly known as bright eyes, Cape Winkle, etc., is a perennial species of flowering plant in the family Apocynaceae. It is a native and endemic to Madagascar, but is grown elsewhere as an ornamental and medical plant, and now has a pantropical distribution. It is a source of drug vincristine and vinblastin used to treat cancer. It was formerly included in the genus Vinca as Vinca rosea. So we commonly call it as Vinca rosea, but the scientific name that is given is Catharanthus rosaceus. So this is the taxonomy table. Like as we all have studied in our PU biology, the hierarchy how it goes. Like it starts from species, genus, family, order, subclass, class, division, subdivision, subkingdom, and finally kingdom. So this is the hierarchy. Uh, Basically, we give it the name taxonomy for Catharanthus rosaceus. So here comes with the second module, that is the heritage walk. So what is heritage walk and what is the goal of heritage walk? So heritage walk are curated journeys that bring history and culture to life by exploring the landmarks, architecture, and traditions of a place. These walks serve as a bridge between the past and the present, allowing participants to experience the rich legacy of a region through its monuments, streets, and stories. Now, what is the second goal of Heritage Walk? Designed to promote cultural awareness and heritage conservation, heritage walks provide a unique opportunity to connect with the place's identity while fostering sustainable tourism. Whether it's discovering ancient ruins, vibrant markets, or colonial architect, each way offers a deep dive into the history and soul community. So, my heritage visit. So, this is a place, this is a temple that is Ahobilam, which is in the Andhra Pradesh. So, the overview about this temple is that Ahobilam is a town and a holy site in the Alagadda Mandal of Nandyala district in the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. It is surrounded by eastern Ghats with several mountains, hills. It is dedicated to Lord Narasimha Swami, the fourth incarnation of Lord Vishnu. It is located in the Nalamala Hills in the Kurnool district and holds immense religious and mythological significance. So, this temple I visit every year during the Shravan Mas because this is my house guard. So, every year I tend to visit this temple with my family. And yeah, it's a very great place and a very holy place, I must say this. So, the mythological significance. Ahobilam is believed to be the place where Lord Narsimha Swami manifested to protect his devotee Prahalada and vanquish the demon Hiranyakashipu. The temple presents the scared location of Narsimha's ferocious yet divine avatar. So, this is the ideal of a Lord Narsimha Swami that is there in Ahobilam. The temple complex. So, here the temple is divided into Upper Ahobilam and Lower Ahobilam. So, this image belongs to the Upper Ahobilam. So, now again, after Upper Ahobilam, you have nine Navanarsimha Swamis where people usually go as a trekking, visit all the nine avatars and take the blessings of the god. So here are the list of the nine names of those avatars. Location. So which is surrounded by lush forest and hills. The temple is divided into Upper Ahobilam and Lower Ahobilam, as I mentioned earlier. Upper Ahobilam houses the main shrine of Ahobila Narsimha, considered the most powerful form of the deity. Lower Ahobilam serves as the base and contains other shrines. So these are few pictures that was captured when I had visited, and that is one of my family picture. The architecture. Ahobilam is renowned pilgrimage site in Andhra Pradesh, India, dedicated to Lord Narasimha, the fourth incarnation of Lord. A blend of Dravid architecture and incarnate cravings depicts stories from Vishnu Purana and Narasimha's lore. So you can see how wonderful the architecture is, and this is a very old temple and a very famous temple where everybody tend to visit. So the first picture over here belongs to the upper Ahobilam, and the second picture belongs to the lower Ahobilam. So pilgrimage and trekking. So as I already mentioned earlier, so after the upper Ahobilam, you have nine Navanarsimha Swami ka avatars. So to visit that, you there is so people visit from different places. Students come up and they go as trekking. So they go as trekking and have fun and take the blessings of the god. So it is a really great place, and it is fully completely surrounded by mountains. It has waterfalls, a very great and a unique place, I must say. And here this is the route map for the Ahobilam, how to visit all the Navanarsimha Swami. Yeah. So I request all of you to visit this temple, take the blessings from the god, and have more fun and get to know more about the temple. Organic farming and waste management, which is the third module. So, what is organic farming? A sustainable agriculture system that avoids synthetic inputs like pesticides and fertilizers. Now, what is waste management? So, waste management is the collection, transport, processing, recycling, or disposal of waste materials. So, what is the link between organic farming and waste management? So, we must be wondering that, right? Yes. So, the link is that organic farming generates organic waste. Example, crop residue, manure that can be effectively managed to improve soil health and residue environmental impact. Role of waste management in organic farming. So you know the definition, so proper collection, segregation, recycling of organic waste. So organic waste which are biodegradable waste, so which can easily get degradable in the soil, and which forms humus that is really good for the plants. So here the process can be of two ways. One is composting, another one is vermicomposting. So vermicomposting is where we are going to use earthworms. How it benefits us and the planet. So environmental impact, so it reduces pollution. So organic farming with waste management, all these, so pollution will be reduced, so we can take in good air, more oxygen, and enhanced biodiversity. When it comes to economic benefits, low cost fertilizers for farmers, promotes a circular economy. So how is it going to benefit the future? So integration with AI and IoT for smart waste management. So all these will be benefiting the future as well. So there was a Krishi Mela that was being organized from GKVK. So here I had visited with my friends, and it is a very great opportunity that I got, and I visited there, and it shows all the farming things, organic farming, animal husbandry, how the plants have been grown. So you can see, so these are some of the pictures collection that I made when I had visited Krishi Mela at GKVK. Water conservation. So, water conservation is essential for preserving our planet's most vital resource. Every individual can make a difference by adopting simple water saving habits. In this presentation, we will explore the importance of water conservation and practical tips to reduce water usage. Importance of water conservation. So, water is a finite resource, with 1% of Earth's water being accessible for human use. So, we all know that now water is becoming less, and it is very important for us as a human to conserve water to our level best, so that the future will have a lots of water, and we don't have to face the scarcity of water. Hence, water conservation is really important. So now the last and final module, that is about the food walk. Food walk are guided tours that explore various delights of a city. Food walks are a great way to immerse oneself in the local food sense and experience new flavors. Benefits of food walks. So we know everybody is fascinated about food. We all love delicious food, everything. So only when we have such food walks, we will be able to explore the different food that a different country or the different state is preparing, and the taste. So participants can interact with local chiefs and food vendors, gaining insight and authentic cooking techniques. Food walks offer a unique way to experience a city's culture through its food, enhancing the overall traveling experience. So, these were the five modules on the subject social connectivity and responsibility. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Until next time, take care. Thank you.